These EA960R4 commercial LED display billboards are currently undergoing aging tests. Once testing is complete, they will be shipped to El Salvador. EA960R4 features a robust 960mm x 960mm magnesium alloy cabinet design that supports easy maintenance. It is suitable for both fixed installations, indoor and outdoor, and rental applications. Wing-style fans are installed on the rear covers to ensure rapid heat dissipation. To accelerate setup, quick lock mechanisms have been added to the bottom and sides of the cabinets, significantly reducing installation time. EA960R4 Outdoor Series boasts an IP65 protection rating, with a fully sealed design that effectively keeps out wind, rain, dust, and moisture. Additionally, the concealed cabling design simplifies wire management and enhances the unit's aesthetic appeal.